Hello children, today I will teach you English Literature, Chapter 4, My House. It is on page number 24. What kind of a house do you have? And what type? It is big or a small one? And how do you feel in your house? Safe or uncomfortable? Now today I will read about a boy which has a house. He is telling about his house. This is a poem. This chapter is a poem. Let's read it. Open page number 24 and let's read. I will read. You will read after me. My house is a brick house. Brick means ईंट. ईंटों का हाउस है. मेरा हाउस ईंटों का हाउस है. Where it is, its. We will tell it in short form. Its. It is short form of its. It is its. So we will tell it. We will read it. Its. Where it's warm and safe to be, जहाँ पर बहुत अच्छा और सेफ रहता है, गर्म भी रहता है, सेफ भी रहता है. I wish all the world's children, मेरी इच्छा है कि दुनिया के सभी बच्चों could be lucky like me. दुनिया के सभी बच्चे मेरी तरह लकी हों. लकी मीन्स भाग्यवान. तो ये बच्चा अपना घर बता रहा है. He is telling about his house. My house is a brick house where it's warm and safe to be. I wish all the world's children could be lucky like me. This is written by Trevor Harvey. This is the name of poet because this is a poem. A person who writes the poem is called poet. So the name of poet is written here. Okay. Now you have some exercise on your book. These are question answers regarding this poem. I am reading these questions and I will discuss the answer with you. Now let's start from question number 1. What is the poet's house made up of? It means poet का जो house है वो किस चीज का बना है? It is made up of brick. Okay? Where it is warm and safe to be. कहाँ पर warm and safe है? In poet's house. Okay? Because it is the house of poet. Poet is telling about his house. What does the poet wish for all the children of the world? Poet की wish क्या है कि सारे चिल्ड्रंस के दुनिया के सारे चिल्ड्रन के लिए उसकी क्या विश है? He wish for all the children to be lucky like him. Name the poet who has written this poem. आपको पोएट का नाम लिखना है जिन्होंने इस पोएम को लिखा है. So Trevor Harvey is the name of this poet. I will give you question answer in worksheet. You will have to do in the same way and after that you have to learn it. Children in class, from class 1, you have to make a habit to learn question answer in all the subjects except maths. Okay, because from class 1 you have to write answers in a little bit long form. It could be one word answer, it could be 2 word answer, or it may be of one line, one sentence answer or 2 sentences answer. So you have to make a habit to learn the question answer properly. Whatever the question answer are done in your any of chapter, you have to learn properly. In what way you will learn it? You have to learn 4 or 5 times one answer, then write it on a rough copy. Then check what are the mistakes are there. If there are mistakes, check it and repeat it. Learn it again and again. Whenever you learn it properly, then you will be move forward to the next question answer. Okay, so children, now you are in a bigger class from prep to first, so make the habit of learning question answer. Okay, first of all, you read the chapter properly, you understand the chapter properly. By teacher's video, you will understand what are the things in the chapter and how to write the question answer which is provided in your worksheets. So make the habit of learning question answer. Okay, now there are many types of as you can see in your unit test paper, many type of question answer are there. So there are different types of question answer. You will find the question answer like this: question answer, the question in true and false form, the question is tick mark on the correct option, the question will be like matching the sentences. Many types of questions are there in your examination. Okay, so you have to now come on true and false. What is true and false? True means wrong and true means right, true means correct, and false means wrong. But we symbolize true with the capital letter T and we symbolize the false with capital letter F. If in some questions it is written like this, you have to write T for true and F for false. So there you will only write T and F. If there is not written write T or F, then you will write full spelling of true, T-R-U-E, true, and F-A-L-S-E, false. If it is written write T, capital T for true and capital F for false, then you will write only T and F. Okay, not you will symbolize correct symbol and with incorrect symbol. Okay, now here true and false. Come on, true and false. Number 1, the poem is about a hut. क्या ये poem hut के बारे में है? No. So this sentence is written wrong. So we write wrong. We write what for wrong? We write false. F-A-L-S-E, false. So first one will be false. Okay. The second, the house is in the poem is made up of wood. क्या जो house था वो wood का बना था poet का? No, it is made up of brick ना. So this sentence is also wrong. So you will write false. Okay, you will write false. Now third, it's warm and safe in the house. वहाँ पर बहुत सुरक्षित और अच्छा घर है. Yes, true. So yes के लिए आप लिखोगे, you will write true. Okay. Now question number 4, the poet thinks he is unlucky. No, it is wrong. He was thinking he is so lucky and all the world's children should be lucky like him. So this sentence is written wrong. So you will write false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Children, learn the spelling of true and false also. And if you have any confusion, then you can see the spelling of true and false here. which is written in pink color. The last one, number 5, the poet wishes all the children to be lucky like him. क्या वो चाहता था कि दुनिया के सारे बच्चे उसकी तरह लकी हों? Yes, it is true. So you will write the true. Now true and false is finished. Come to the next type of question. It is tick mark. Here it is tick mark. This is the symbol of tick mark. If sentence is correct, then you will tick on that sentence. Okay, on that sentence, or if you have so many options, then you will tick on the correct option. Here are 3 options are given. 3 options are given here. First question. Now come on, question number 1. The poem is all about a. ये poem किसके बारे में है? Village, valley, house. Village, valley, house. House के बारे में. तो you will tick in the box in front of house. Okay, you will tick the house. Now number 2, the house in the poem is made up of. ये जो house था poem में वो किस चीज का बना है? Wood, brick, stone. You understand? You know it very well. It is made up of brick. So you will take brick. Okay. Now third, in the house the poet feels. House के अंदर poet को कैसा लगता है? Warm, safe, both. Both means दोनों. ये दोनों जो ऑप्शन है वो दोनों होंगे. Warm, safe and both. The correct answer is both, because in poet's house warm and safe both. Okay, so both is for 2. Now the poet wishes all the world's children to be. पोएट की विश क्या थी कि दुनिया के सारे चिल्ड्रन के लिए क्या विश थी? लकी, अनलकी, नन. लकी. सो यू विल टेक ऑन लकी. ओके. नाउ टर्न ओवर द पेज. Here are some other exercises which are not related to this chapter, but their grammar portion are there. But grammar portion is here, so you have to do these exercises on book, and you will do the work which will be given on your worksheet. You have to do on your copy, but this work is you have to do only on book. Okay, I will mention the question number and page number in the worksheet, and you will do on your book exercise. Okay, so learn this poem properly and learn question answer properly, then you will get the correct choices of true and false, tick mark options, and till you will. One more thing, in the grammar portion you will find the other related things with chapter, like, okay, let it be. Now read this chapter properly. Till then, bye.